Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire, where we break down all things automotive to help you better understand your car. Today, we're tackling a feature most of us take for granted but rely on every single day: power steering. What is it? How does it work? And why is it so important? Stick around to find out. A power steering is a mechanical device that helps drivers steer the vehicle by augmenting steering effort needed to turn the steering wheel, making it easier for the vehicle to turn at lower speeds. It is located on the steering rack or mounted to the steering column. There are two main types of power steering systems: hydraulic and electric. Let's break them down. Hydraulic power steering uses a pump driven by the engine to pressurize hydraulic fluid. This pressure helps turn the wheels when you steer. It's been around for decades and is still found in many older vehicles. On the other hand, electric power steering, or EPS, uses an electric motor to assist with steering. It's more energy efficient because it only works when needed, unlike hydraulic systems, which run continuously. Plus, EPS allows for advanced features like lane keeping assist and self-parking. If the power steering goes wrong, you will notice grinding noises when turning steering wheel, and have to make a lot more efforts when doing so. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. Power steering isn't just about comfort, it's about safety too. Imagine trying to make a sharp turn or avoid an obstacle without it. It's one of those systems that works quietly in the background, but it makes a huge difference in your driving experience. And there you have it, a quick look at power steering and why it's so essential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive insights. Have questions about your car? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe, everyone.